Alcoholic liver disease causes and symptoms. Alcoholic liver disease is a result of overconsuming alcohol that damages the liver, leading to a buildup of fats, inflammation, and scarring. It can be fatal. The condition is a primary cause of chronic liver disease in Western nations. The liver is one of the most complex organs in the human body, with over 500 functions. This include filtering out blood toxins, storing energy, making hormones and proteins, and regulating cholesterol and blood sugar. Liver damage can affect the whole body. Once damage begins, it can take a long time to become noticeable, as the liver is generally highly effective at regenerating and repairing itself. Often, by the time the damage is found, it is irreversible. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), in 2014 the number of deaths from alcoholic liver disease in the United States was 19,388, while all causes of chronic liver disease and cirrhosis are estimated to lead to 12 fatalities per 1 lakh people per year. In 2015, the United States, nearly 20% of all liver transplants occurred as a result of alcoholic liver disease, making it the third most common reason for transplant behind chronic hepatitis C and liver cancer. Early signs. The early signs of alcoholic liver disease are vague and affect a range of systems in the body, along with a general feeling of being unwell. Signs can include pain in the abdomen, nausea and vomiting, diarrhea, decreased appetite. It can be easy to dismiss the early symptoms as the effects of a stomach bug or general malaise. However, leaving these symptoms undiagnosed and untreated, especially while continuing to consume alcohol, can lead to a faster progression of liver disease over time. Symptoms. Once alcoholic liver disease progresses, its symptoms become easier to recognize. The more distinctive signs of later stage liver disease include the following: jaundice or a yellow tint of the whites of the eyes and the skin, edema or swelling of the lower limbs, a buildup of fluid in the abdomen known as ascites, fever and shivering, extremely itchy skin, fingernails that curve excessively known as clubbing, losing a significant amount of weight, general weakness and wasting muscles, blood in vomit and stools, bleeding and bruising more easily, more sensitive reactions to alcohol and drugs. Once symptoms are noticeable, the condition has reached an advanced stage and visiting a doctor is a crucial next step. Stages. Alcoholic liver disease has 4 main stages. Alcoholic fatty liver disease. Drinking a large volume of alcohol can cause fatty acids to collect in the liver. Sometimes heavy drinking over a short period, even less than a week, can cause this. There are normally no symptoms, and this stage of the disease is often reversible if the individual abstains from alcohol from this point onward. Alcoholic hepatitis. Continued alcohol use will lead to ongoing liver inflammation. This can occur after many years of heavy drinking. It can also occur acutely during periods of binge drinking. Hepatitis is a general term swelling and inflammation of the liver from any cause. If the individual abstains from alcohol on a long-term basis, alcoholic hepatitis is usually reversible. Fibrosis. Fibrosis is a buildup of certain types of protein in the liver, including collagen. It features in most types of chronic liver disease. Mild to moderate forms of fibrosis may be reversible. Continuous fibrosis and inflammation can lead to liver cancer. Cirrhosis. Cirrhosis occurs when the liver has been inflamed for a long time, leading to scarring and loss of function. This can be a life-threatening condition. Cirrhosis damage is irreversible, but the patient can prevent further damage by continuing to avoid alcohol. Lifelong abstinence can improve liver function, but the permanent and severe damage from cirrhosis might mean that the patient needs a liver transplant to survive. As the liver no longer processes toxins properly, it will be more sensitive to medications and alcohol. Alcohol use speeds up the destruction of the liver, along with reducing the liver's ability to compensate for the current damage. Risk factors. A number of factors increase the risk of alcoholic liver disease. People who drink beer and liquor may be more likely to experience liver disease when compared with those who consume other alcoholic beverages such as wine. According to the American College of Gastroenterology, women who consume more than 2 drinks a day and men who consume more than 3 drinks a day for more than 5 years are at an increased risk for alcoholic liver disease. Women metabolize alcohol more slowly than men. They also are more likely to quickly develop fibrosis, inflammation, and liver injury as a result of alcohol. Research has shown that women are more susceptible to the negative effects of alcohol compared to men, even at the same levels of alcohol intake. According to the National Institute on Alcohol Abuse and Alcoholism, 13% of women in the United States who drink alcohol consume over 7 drinks a week. Women who consume high amounts of alcohol and also carry excess body weight have a greater chance of developing chronic liver disease. However, obesity is also a risk factor for men. Having hepatitis C increases the risk, and a person who consumes alcohol regularly and has had any type of hepatitis faces a higher chance of developing liver disease. Hepatitis C also increases the risk of developing liver cancer. Causes. Not all heavy regular drinkers develop liver damage. It is not known why alcoholic liver disease affects some people and not others. Acetaldehyde is a toxic chemical that is produced by the body's breakdown of alcohol. It damages the liver and leads to liver scarring and inflammation. This chemical appears to affect some people more than others. Prevention. To prevent alcoholic liver disease and other conditions linked to the consumption of alcohol, people are advised to follow national guidelines for limits of alcohol consumption. The guidelines classify moderate drinking as up to 1 drink a day for women, up to 2 drinks for men, and only over the age of 21 years. 1 drink is equivalent to 12 fluid ounces of beer at 5% alcohol, 5 ounces of wine at 12% alcohol, or 1.5 ounces of spirits at 40% alcohol. Binge drinking refers to drinking too much alcohol in a short space of time. It can increase the risk of liver damage. When a man consumes 5 or more drinks within 2 hours, or a woman consumes 4 or more drinks in the same amount of time, it is considered binge drinking.